Welcome to a day of delicious food. This guide is your plan for yummy meals. All recipes are gluten-free and dairy-free. Eating this way can help you feel your best. It's easy to start. Let's get cooking. Eating gluten-free and dairy-free can be amazing for your body. It can help you feel less tired. Your stomach will thank you too. And it can be super delicious. These recipes are simple to follow. You can enjoy healthy food every day. Start your day with these yummy muffins. They are full of flavor and good for you. Zucchini is a vegetable that is good for your body. These muffins are a great way to enjoy it. Before we start, turn on your oven. Set it to 175 Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a muffin tin with a little oil. Now you are ready to make muffins. Alright, it's zucchini time. First, wash one medium zucchini. Then grate it using a grater. You can use the bigger holes for this. Now set the grated zucchini aside. Next, let's move on to the wet ingredients. Get a big bowl. Add these ingredients. 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix them well with a whisk. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. Get another bowl. Add these ingredients. 1 cup of gluten-free flour, 1/2 cup of gluten-free oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix them well with a spoon. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Mix everything gently. Don't mix too much. Fold in the grated zucchini. Pour the batter into the muffin tin. Fill each cup about 2/3 full. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. The muffins are ready when they are golden brown. Let the muffins cool for a bit. Enjoy them warm or cold. You can store them in an airtight container. They will stay fresh for a few days. Morning Boost Cinnamon Ginger Tea. This warm drink is perfect for a cool morning. Cinnamon and ginger are good for you. They can help you feel warm inside. Simmer and spice. Take a pot and add 2 cups of water. Add 1 inch of ginger, sliced. Throw in 1 cinnamon stick. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Tea time. After simmering, turn off the heat. Let the tea steep for 5 more minutes. Strain the tea into a mug. Enjoy. Lunch lentil and spinach soup. This soup is hearty and healthy. Lentils are full of good things for your body. This soup is easy to make. It's perfect for a cozy lunch. Veggies get sizzling. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped carrots, and 2 chopped celery stalks. Cook for about 5 minutes. Lentils join the party. Add 1 cup of red lentils to the pot. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth. Stir everything together. Simmer down. Bring the soup to a boil, then turn down the heat and let it simmer. Cook for about 20 minutes. The lentils should be soft. Welcome, spinach. Add 4 cups of fresh spinach to the pot. Stir it in and let it wilt. This will only take a few minutes. Add salt and pepper to your liking. You can also add a pinch of cumin for more flavor. Soup's on. Ladle the soup into bowls. Serve it warm with a slice of gluten-free bread. This drink is super refreshing. It's a great way to stay hydrated. Mint and lemon are good for digestion too. Take a pitcher of water. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves and a few slices of lemon. Put the pitcher in the fridge. Let it chill for at least 30 minutes. The flavors will mix together. Dinner vegan zucchini noodles with pesto. This dinner is light, fresh, and full of flavor. Zucchini noodles are a healthy alternative to regular noodles. Wash 2 zucchinis. Use a spiralizer to make them into noodles. If you don't have a spiralizer, you can use a vegetable peeler to make long, thin strips. Make the pesto. In a food processor, combine 2 cups of fresh basil leaves nut-free pesto recipe ingredients, 2 cups fresh basil leaves packed, 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1/4 cup nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, or use 1/4 cup grated parmesan if not vegan, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, optional for brightness, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: blend the basil and garlic. In a food processor, add the fresh basil leaves and minced garlic. Pulse a few times to break them down. Add the oil and season. Slowly pour in the olive oil while the food processor is running until the mixture becomes a smooth paste. Add nutritional yeast or parmesan. Lemon juice, if using, salt and pepper. Adjust to taste. Taste the pesto and adjust the seasoning if needed. If you want it creamier, add a bit more oil, or if you'd like a more tangy flavor, add extra lemon juice. Serve. Your nut-free pesto is ready. Use it on pasta as a dip or spread on sandwiches. Tips: if you want a thicker pesto, use less oil or add more basil. For a creamier texture, you can add a few tablespoons of avocado for a nut-free alternative. Enjoy your delicious nut-free pesto. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan. Add the zucchini noodles and sauté for 3 to 5 minutes. They should be tender but still slightly crisp. Remove the zucchini noodles from the pan. Toss them with the pesto. Dinner is served. Serve the zucchini noodles immediately. You can garnish them with cherry tomatoes. Evening calm chamomile tea. End your day with a cup of chamomile tea. It helps you relax and unwind. Chamomile dreams. Place a chamomile tea bag in a mug. Pour hot water over it. Refreshing green tea. Pour boiling water over the green tea and let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the tea bag, add a slice of lemon and stir well. Enjoy your refreshing green tea at any time of the day. You enjoyed a whole day of delicious and healthy meals. Eating gluten-free and dairy-free can be easy and fun. Keep exploring new recipes and enjoy your journey to feeling your best. Don't forget to press like and subscribe to our channel. It's free and helps us bring you more delicious recipes. Click the subscribe button.